my name's Matt and this is my Kilimanjaro hot tub. It's made by Wellis. I bought it from Wellis Sussex and I installed it before we'd done the extension works as it was easier to bring in. Otherwise we'd have needed a crane. I use it most evenings when it's nice and sunny, sitting there with a glass of wine. I'm a builder and when I get back after a hard day's work, it's nice to relax in my hot tub. It gets rid of your aches and pains and gives you all over massage. This hot tub comes with the aromatherapy and the oxygen, which is really relaxing. It's got the finger massage over there, which isn't run off the jets. It just pulsates. It's really nice at night. So you can sit in it, relax, turn the lights on and listen to some music and thoroughly enjoy it. It's very easy to use. It's got built-in bromine charge, so don't have to do any maintenance to it except for check the pH levels, and the rest it does itself. I'd definitely recommend this hot tub for family and friends and anyone with aches and pains because it gives you an all-over massage.